Hurricane Lee whipping up strong winds and rough seas as it makes its way up the northern coast. Michael Estime has the latest on storm preparations.
Hurricane Lee taking aim at the northeast coast, and residents here are making their final preparations before the storm moves in tonight.
There's a hurricane coming, and this is the quiet before the storm.
The center of the storm is likely to move into eastern Canada, but Lee's effects will still be felt in the United States, where tropical storm warnings are in effect for much of the New England coast.
The coastline from basically Florida all the way up to Maine is being impacted by big swells.
In Maine, the first hurricane watch in 15 years is in effect. Many folks there not taking any chances when it comes to precautionary measures.
To those people who say, oh, it's not going to be a hurricane, it's just going to be a tropical storm, I invite you to stick your head out of your car window at 70 miles an hour and tell me what you think about it at that point.
Those along the coast can expect to see winds up to 65 miles per hour, along with a combination of storm surge and rough tides. Meteorologists predicting storm surge up to 3 feet in some spots.
The forces of the ocean and the waves are moving water in general is dramatic.
Boston Mayor Michelle Wu says her city is taking this storm seriously and that they'll be ready to deploy sandbags and flood walls if needed.
Conditions are still anticipated to be similar to that of a nor'easter because the spread of this storm and the wind and the rain will extend far beyond the center of it over into the coast.
Conditions are expected to be at their worst on Saturday before winding down on Sunday morning. In Boston, I'm Michael Estime for Fox Weather.